Say prayers. For Texas. Yeah.
Baby, all right, we just got a big package today from Virginia McClellan. And the girls are gonna help Mama open it. Yeah!
What is it?
A package.
A package.
Hey, let's see what it is, girls. What is it, girls? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh. Oh, this one says to
Oh.
Indy, this one's yours right here.
Wait, Mom's got names on them.
Hold on, this one says to Scarlett.
Scarlett. That one's Scarlett. Okay. Oh, you got stickers? Okay. Yeah, I think there is. Let Mom open those.
Oh my gosh, those are adorable.
Oh, look at those. You got cute little backpacks. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, look at they have stickers that have their actual names on them.
Oh my gosh. How cool is that?
Oh my gosh, this is Evie.
They can put them on their bags.
Evie, here. That says your name.
Wow. You're going to put that on your backpack. Put that on your backpack, girls.
Thank you so much, Virginia.
That was so nice. Do you love your backpack?
What's on your backpack?
What's on there?
What's on your backpack?
Is it an owl? It's
What does an owl
owls.
say?
Oh, what did you get? A sticker book.
Look how cute that is.
Oh, I love it. Bye. Put yours on, Ez. Let me see.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, so cute. You like that? I love it. Girls, it's so cute. That is yours, a play pack. Virginia, thank you so much. That was so nice. Thank you.
And she also sent this, which is the girls' favorite.
Bubble wrap. Whoa.
Virginia got you something too.
What did you get, BC? What did BC get? Oh my gosh. Oh, he's so excited. Oh, look at his tail wagging. He is so happy. Get it, Mama.
Let me shake.
Oh, he loves his toy.
Oh, and she got him some dog bones too.
Oh, well, he is happy. Look at him. He's so happy right now.
Look at this girl right here.
Oh, okay. You found your favorite toy. You guys could have just sent the bubble wrap.
Okay, she sent something to me from Virginia and Paul.
Oh, our family's just getting spoiled today.
So nice. You don't even have to do this. You guys are so sweet. Oh, I love my perfectly imperfect, wonderful life.
Oh,
my gosh,
it's like a
that's
little
so
scrapbook?
nice. Yeah, okay, this is my kind of scrapbooking. The cute pages are already done. I just put the picture.
That is her kind of scrapbooking.
I am not crafty. So
That's
this
such a
is
sweet
perfect.
gift. Thank you, Virginia.
That's so sweet. Thank you so much. This is their favorite game. Dad got a gift too.
Last but not least, this one's to Daddy. It's a box. Oh!
Okay, so she already knows Tyson. Guns N' Roses.
Holy cow! So she's made me a little box with my favorite band. Well, one of my favorite bands. Little
Oh my
scripture. Oh.
It's fall stuff.
Look, Daddy got stickers too.
Fall stuff.
Fall and Halloween stickers. Look what Daddy got.
Dad, they all want them.
Skeleton.
They all want them.
Skeleton. No, this was Daddy's. This was Daddy's.
I want one.
Thank you so much. That was so sweet and thoughtful.
Very thoughtful. Thank you.
Inside of it too. See what's in there?
What'd she get you? What is it?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you got a baby owl. Oh. She loves it.
That was so nice.
You love that owl? Oh, how sweet.
What? You love him? I love him. Abby, let me see. What? You have him. Okay, Bentley is officially hiding in his cage with his toy. It is definitely a hit. He does not want to share with the girls, and I don't blame him. Uh-oh, Bentley. Uh-oh. Andy, leave his toy alone. He loves it. Yeah, he loves that toy. Okay, now they're utilizing this entire gift we got her. Oh, look what we missed. Oh, my favorite part, a card. You girls, we always open the card first. I'm so glad I found this card. It's so pretty. It says, Dear Ashley and Tyson, Indy, Esme, Scarlett, Evie, and Bentley, we hope you enjoyed these gifts. Thanks for the vlogs, blogs, and beautiful drone footage from Hawaii. Virginia and Paul. Thank you. You guys seriously made our entire day. The girls, to be quite honest with you, have been so naughty today. That's why we have not vlogged. I think they're not feeling well, but this made them feel so much better and just really made our day. So thank you so much. You girls are being crazy in there. All right. Virginia, are you ready? I'm going to package them up and return to sender. Return to sender. You're going to see Virginia. Okay. Girls, you going in the mail? Say return to sender. We're going to put you girls in the box. All of you? All 4 of you in there? You all 4 fit in there? Okay, bye-bye. See you later. You girls are crazy. They're now using the box as a slide.
Is it fun?
It's so fun. Virginia, your entire gift was a hit, including the box. So thank you for sending it in this box.
Is that so much fun?
Girls, can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Say thank you, Virginia. Say we love you, Virginia and Paul. Say thank you for watching. Oh my goodness, girls. Look at all your cute backpacks.
You look so beautiful. I love yours.
I love it. They're so cute.
Look, we can unzip it and you can put all your toys.
What do you have?
2 of them.
You have 2 of them, huh? She put 2 backpacks on. Let me see, sis. What? Lash. Let me see. That's a cool style. 2 backpacks. I love it. BG, get it. Kill it. Kill it. Good boy. Kill it. Yeah, get it. Get it, BC. You playing tug of war with him?
Eggs in his belly. Eggs in his belly. Hold on, Scarlett was holding it.
What are you girls doing in there? You're being crazy. Oh, hi. What is that?
Are you guys watching Indy Pie's
So
slideshow?
pretty.
Oh, I love it.
I like it.
No, that's
Indy.
Indy. Indy Pie.
Lonnie just posted a slideshow of Indy's, all Indy's photos, and we were dying. It's so cute. Is it Indy?
Andy.
Yeah, it is Indy.
It's Annie. It's Annie.
Yeah.
Yes, Annie. It's Annie.
Yeah.
It's a picture.
Picture. Huh?
Yeah, that's Indy's picture.
It's Ian. This is anybody.
Can you say pretty? Indy is so pretty. Yeah. Okay, everybody. We got these two that are up from their nap, and they are helping Daddy and Mommy. So we have been collecting things for the victims of Hurricane Harvey, and there's a truck being loaded today, a semi truck being loaded today to be taken down to Texas.
Look at this beast. Look at this
Look
guy.
at that guy.
Holy cow.
Good job, Oak. Anyway, we are just, the truck is being loaded today, so we've been waiting, and we are gonna load all this stuff in our car, and we're gonna take it down and help load this semi, and this semi is going to be driven down to Texas. Texas, you have been in our prayers, and now with Hurricane Irma, we are praying for all of you guys over there on the East Coast, and I just can't even imagine what you guys are going through and the loss that you're feeling, and we just wanna help. Sorry, I get emotional when I talk about it. We just want to help in any way that we can. We've helped by donating a lot of stuff to the Red Cross and money and stuff like that, but we just kept feeling this itch to do more, and we just want to do more. We always want to teach our kids about service and about how to help people in need and to always do everything that you possibly can. So we are doing everything that we can. We had some of these diapers and wipes that you guys had donated for the Osborne quadruplets, and they were sitting in our basement, and we messaged them today and asked if they wanted us to donate these as well, and they do. They want us to donate all of these. So we are going to take all of this stuff down there and send it to Texas. Texas, you guys are in our prayers, and now everybody with Hurricane Irma, you guys are in our prayers as well. Girls, are you going to donate your fruit snacks?
Fruit sack.
Can you donate your fruit snacks?
Fruit sack.
Well, all right. I guess your blankets are good.
Hey, Billy.
You're going to give them to Bentley? Okay. Don't fall, Oak. Don't fall.
Hey, Billy.
Yeah. We are donating a bunch of stuff from our shop. So all of we have a ton of blankets that we are sending down, probably about 200 blankets that we are sending down there from our shop at Miracle Unfolding. And then all of these are diapers and wipes. Are you helping?
Put on top.
Oh, big helper.
Oh, good
big
job.
helper.
Good job. This one? Oh, good job.
Good job,
Wow.
sisters. Are we helping? Don't fall, Oak.
Let's go.
Come here, sis. Uh-oh.
Push it. Push this one out.
Good
Push it.
job,
Push
sissy.
it out
Big
there.
helper. Bring it out.
Get it out there.
Good job,
Good
girls.
job. Push it out there. Woohoo! Yeah. Muscles.
Good job. Big helpers. Watch out so sissy doesn't get ya.
All right, Mom, we're gonna load
Good job.
You can take it. Push it outside.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
Push it. Push it.
Push it.
Good job. Can you say I
Yeah.
love
And you.
you?
Sure.
Say Texas.
Clap.
Say prayers
Pray.
for
So.
Texas.
Cat.
Yeah. Me and Oakland here are riding in this car. There was no room for Tyson. Also, we couldn't fit everything in the car, so we had to load up Tyson's mom's car as well. So he's driving his mom's car in front of us, and we have got this car loaded to the brim. So we are headed down right now to load all this onto the semi. Okay, so we just got here, and the guy who is donating the semi wasn't able to get it until the morning. They thought they were gonna be able to get it tonight, but they aren't able to get it till the morning. So we came to this house here, and we are just, everyone is helping unload our cars, and we are just taking all this stuff. You guys would not believe. How many trucks is this? What number truck is this?
This is the third semi.
The third semi that they have, that these guys have put together. 4 and 5, fourth and a fifth semi getting loaded up to take as well. So this is amazing. These guys are doing amazing things, and I'm just so happy to help and just be a part of all of it. Okay, this is all being donated. This entire garage full here.
This is one
of our 11 locations.
One of the 11 drop locations that they have provided. Do you guys have like a Facebook page or something people can follow?
We didn't think it would go this big, so we did not even make one.
Okay.
I have my own charity. It's called the Christmas Jar.
Okay.
Stuff for Santa, where I'm trying to post things. If people want to come follow, then they have somewhere that they can keep going back to get information. But
Okay.
other than that, we didn't.
You didn't
make
expect
a
this
page.
much.
We expected to film maybe one semi. So
I love this. Utah, you guys are amazing. Oh, this makes me so happy.
it is awesome.
This entire trailer is full. This truck is full. There's Oakland. We are unloading here. And then I want to show you guys this over here. Okay, this entire trailer is full of water that they are taking down there. So a lot of people don't even have fresh water down there, which is just, I can't even imagine. I can't imagine. If you guys are in Texas, I cannot imagine what you guys are going through. And now with Hurricane Irma, I just can't imagine. So we're doing everything we can from this distance to be able to help and just do whatever we can. And if you guys, yeah, Tyson just said Utah loves you guys. If anybody out there can do anything to help these guys, everyone just needs to unite and just pull together as a country because we can get through this, you guys. Okay, you guys, so she's got some information for you. I'm gonna let her say it. Go ahead.
Okay, so if you guys want to know more about where everything's going that has come from the semis that we're sending down, they're going to a place called Grace Woodlands, and it's a non-denominational church, and then they're just like everything's coming to a community center thing that's like a little store. And then they, like, I know on Friday they sent 90 truckloads out and they go to the community. So they're going right to people's back door. And I'm like,
so GraceWoodlands.com, and you can see videos.
or on Facebook, like just Google search Grace Woodlands. Yeah, and then there's videos that you can watch that show it in action. Like,
awesome.
It's so cool. Like, it makes your heart be like, good, my stuff is helping.
It's helping people. So thank you guys so much for doing all of this and putting it all together.
I'm glad to help. We did a yard sale too on Saturday. It made $900.
Oh my gosh.
So it benefited our community along with, like, where you have $900 now to send.
There. That's amazing.
So it's cool.
They're doing amazing things here, guys. Guys, thank you for everything you're doing. You guys are doing amazing. Thank you for your service. See you guys. Nice to meet you. Bye, buddy.